Hello students, I am Pankaj Tiwari from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am your subject teacher of Computer Class 7. Students, in this video, I am going to teach you about the chapter number 10, that is AI in real world. Let us start our chapter. Let's recap. Our first topic of the chapter 10 is let's recap, in which 4 images are given below and you have to detect whether the person in the given images are wearing sunglasses or not. If the person is wearing sunglasses, you will say yes, sunglasses worn. Otherwise, you will say no, sunglasses they worn. In first picture, you can see the boy with ball has wear sunglass, so you will say yes, sunglasses worn. In second picture, the person has no sunglasses, so you will say no sunglasses. In third, the person has no sunglasses, so you will say again no sunglasses. And in fourth, the boy wear sunglass, so you will say yes, worn. Now come to our next point, that is application of AI in real world. Students, as you know, artificial intelligence now become very important part of our life. Without being aware of its use, we use it in our day-to-day activity. AI is used in many technologies such as eye detection, fingerprint detection, face detection are some of the application of AI that we use in our day-to-day life. We use eye detection when we go for make Aadhaar card first time, fingerprint detection when we give finger lock to our devices, and face detection when we give face lock to our smartphone or tablet. In Aadhaar card, there are 3 types of biometric data is needed. Students, if you have Aadhaar card, then there are 3 kind of data it needed to generate your Aadhaar number. First is fingerprint, second iris of your eyes, and last one is facing image. Without any one of these 3 data, your Aadhaar number cannot be generated. Here AI technology are used to take this data. So without verifying all these 3 data, your Aadhaar number doesn't issued by UIDAI. So we use AI while we make Aadhaar card. You have seen your parents using fingerprint or face to unlock their smartphone. Students, अभी आपको मैंने बताया कि आपने देखा होगा फिंगरप्रिंट और फेस लॉक लोग अपने स्मार्टफोन में लगाते हैं. फिंगरप्रिंट डिटेक्शन एंड फेस डिटेक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी आर यूज्ड हियर. यानी ये दोनों क्या है? ये दोनों एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एआई है जो हम लोग अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में हर दिन यूज़ करते हैं. Nowadays, AI technology are also used for security purpose. Now, in many hotels or many offices, their biometric are required to enter in their cabin or in any security places. Do you know, students, father of artificial intelligence is John McCarthy. कभी भी आपसे पूछा जाए हु वॉज द फादर ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, तो आप बताएंगे द फादर ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज जॉन मैकार्थी. नाउ मूव टू आई डिटेक्शन इन AI Connect. Students, to create a program to detect if the person in the image is wearing sunglasses or not, detection person's eye, we will create a project in AI Connect. Here we will discuss the steps, and in next video we will perform this on our computer. So in today's video we tell us how you will perform your AI detection on system. Students, in first step you will drag and drop load image block from facial feature subcategory. Students, first of all you will go to AI learning category. In AI learning category you will find facial feature subcategory, and in facial feature subcategory under AI learning category you will find load image block, and whose picture you can see on your screen. You will drag it to your workspace. After that you will move to step second. You will go to logic category. Students, you will go logic category, and from this category you will drag if do block, and you will attach if do block under load image block, as you can see on your screen, and you will click on setting button, and when you click on setting button else block is appear, and you will extend it by attaching it to if do block. Now you will move to step third. In step third you will add equal to block in blank space of if do block. Students, this is ब्लैंक स्पेस ऑफ इफ डू ब्लॉक, और यहाँ पे आप इक्वल टू ब्लॉक को ऐड करेंगे. कहाँ से, तो बताएंगे न्यूमेरिक ब्लॉक से में जाएंगे और वहाँ पे इक्वल टू ब्लॉक को ड्रैग करते हुए उस ब्लैंक स्पेस में ऐड कर देंगे. यू विल ऐड गेट फेस काउंट ब्लॉक फ्रॉम फेशियल फीचर सब कैटेगरी टू लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ ब्लॉक, और इस इक्वल टू ब्लॉक के लेफ्ट साइड में आप फेशियल फीचर सब कैटेगरी से गेट फेस काउंट ब्लॉक को ड्रैग करके यहां पे अटैच कर देंगे, और इसको हम लोग यहां पे अटैच कर देंगे. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज step number 4, you will provide the output statement for the sunglasses worn or not. अब अगले स्टेप में आप आउटपुट प्रोवाइड करेंगे कि जो पर्सन है उसने सनग्लासेस पहना हुआ है or not. This result will be printed when you run the program. So for provide the output statement for the sunglasses worn or not, you will move to output category, but before this you will write 0 in get I count block. Here you will mention value to 0, means the person's eye in the image are not visible. 0 का मतलब है कि आप यहाँ पे ये शो कर रहे हैं कि उसकी आंखें जो हैं विजिबल नहीं है. इफ अ पर्सन इज वेयरिंग द सन ग्लासेस हिज आर हर आई विल नॉट बी विजिबल. Now we will move to step 5. You will add show image without border block, and that is also present in facial feature subcategory. After that, our program is ready, and now you will execute this program. So once the code is complete, you will follow the given instruction to upload the image. Students, when you click on run button, the given window will appear to upload your image, and for this you will click on browse button, and if you have camera access then you will click on capture button, and after accessing the required image you will click on submit button. Here you can say in next step click on the browse button to select the image, and then you will click on submit button. As you can see, the girl in this image has worn sunglass, so you will find the output as she wore sunglasses. You can see in next step, after that click on the run button and check the result. You will find out that she has worn sunglasses. Students, now we will move to state whether these statements are true or false under quest category. Students, let us solve these questions. State whether these statements are correct or incorrect. First, AI did not affect our daily life. Students, as we told you in the beginning of this video, AI have affect our life. So this statement is not correct because AI affect our lives in various way. So you will say this is false. Now second, fingerprint detection is used in a smartphone. Students, फिंगरप्रिंट डिटेक्शन का यूज हम लोग स्मार्टफोन में करते हैं, तो बताएंगे यस ट्रू, क्योंकि अभी मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में आपको बताया कि जब भी फिंगर लॉक लगाते हैं तो फिर वहाँ पे अपने फ़ोन को दोबारा अनलॉक करने के लिए हम लोगों को फिंगर प्रिंट डिटेक्शन का यूज़ करना पड़ता है. यानी आपने पहले जो फिंगर रिकॉर्ड किया है अपने स्मार्टफोन में, अगली बार जब भी एक्सेस करना है तो उस नए फिंगरप्रिंट से फिर मैच किया जाता है. अगर दोनों मैच कर रहा है तो आपका स्मार्टफोन जो है परमिशन ग्रांट करता है एक्सेस के लिए, अदरवाइज वो एक एरर मैसेज दे देगा. सो दिस इज ट्रू. नाउ वी विल मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. लोड इमेज ब्लॉक इज प्रेजेंट अंडर फेशियल फीचर सब कैटेगरी. स्टूडेंट्स, एज I have told you in step first, load image block is present under facial feature subcategory, and this facial feature subcategory is present in AI learning category. So this is correct. You will say this is true. Question number 4 is, if do block is present under AI learning category. Students, you know very well, if is used for given condition and for given condition we will use logic categories block. So this is not correct. You will say question number 4 is false. So students, that's it from my today's video. In my next video we will discuss the practical method of creating a program for eye detection. Until then, have a great day.